Namaste and welcome to Panchkosh. Today we are going to have a wonderful meditative session. In this session we are going into the Panchkosh journey. So I'll be telling you or explaining you how we are going to do this. All you need to do is just sit in any easy pose like this. You just need to be comfortable. So if you want, you can take a cushion under your hips also, so that your spine stays straight. If it's not possible to sit in easy pose also, you can sit on chair also. And even if that's not comfortable for you, then you can just lie on your mat and can relax. So first, put your hands in Chin Mudra first like this, but we'll be keeping it in Gyan Mudra. So we'll be putting our hands like this, facing our palms facing ground like this. So whenever we are just relaxing and doing some relaxation kind of thing, we keep the Gyan Mudra. And whenever we want to do some exercise or we want the alertness in our body, then we keep the Chin Mudra. But today we want the relaxation in our body. So for that we'll do Gyan Mudra like this. So just keep the hands like this. Spine should be straight, whether you're sitting on a chair, you're lying on your mat, or if you're sitting. The way I just described, you can take a cushion also under you. So from here, now just inhale and exhale. Close your eyes and inhale, exhale. Just take all the concentration to your breathing, how you're inhaling and exhaling. Just concentrate on the part of your nose or nostrils from where you are inhaling this prana vayu or pranic energy inside the body. And then while exhaling with the carbon dioxide, you're also exhaling all the toxins made in your body. So concentrate on your breathing. Inhale and exhale. Now today in this meditative session, we are going to explore the 5 sheaths of the human existence called as Panchkosh. The outermost layer or sheath of this human body or our existence is called as Annamaya Kosh. In this Annamaya, we'll be concentrating on the whole body, like from our head to toe and toe to head. Just observe your outer body first. Observe it from head to toe and toe to head. And now just observe all the organs. All these are part of the Annamaya Kosh. You're not putting any stress in any body part. Just keep relaxing and observe your Annamaya Kosh, or the body from the out and all the organs. Observe your body and just feel that how blessed you are to get this body. You can also observe all the organs which are helping you to go to do all the things that you are able to. You're observing your Annamaya Kosh. Now we will take all our observation to the next layer, that is Pranamaya Kosh. Pranamaya Kosh includes all the energy channels or the pranic channels through which we are inhaling, like the nostrils, to our lungs. We are observing this layer now. How the energy or the pran or the oxygen is coming in, and how the carbon dioxide with all the toxins coming out. Observe this layer. Observe the organs related to this layer and the process, that how it's happening, how the prana is coming in and how the toxins going out. Keep relaxing. Keep breathing all the time and keep the calm on your face. After pranamaya, we are digging a little even deeper, and now we will observe the next layer, that is Manomaya Kosh. This Manomaya Kosh includes the mind, the thoughts, the moods, the emotions we have. Now just observe what your mind is thinking. The manas we call. Just don't stop the thoughts coming in. You need to observe whatever is coming, what thoughts are coming. If these thoughts are for someone, others, what you're thinking about others. Observe now that what are your thoughts for yourself. Now observe the emotions. What kind of emotions you have for the people around you. Just don't get carried away into the emotions. You are just observing them. Now going deeper into the Vijnanamaya Kosh. That is the intellect, the logic. So now just observe this kosh of your body. This is about the knowledge. So just look into yourself, to this Vijnanamaya Kosh, and see the knowledge you have, through which you use your intellect, you use your logics. This is this Vijnanamaya Kosh. This is because of all your learnings, experiences of the life. You're just observing this, that how logical you are, how practical you are, how mindful you are. Observe this layer of the human existence, of your own existence. Now after this, just get the deepest into your existence, and now observe the Anandamaya Kosh. This Kosh is the ultimate bliss. This is all about the ultimate happiness. You can observe the soul there, the ultimate light inside you. You can feel it, but you are not again carried away with this. Just observe this. This is the ultimate blissful condition, the most contentful condition, the happiest condition. Just keep breathing and observing this layer of your existence. Now take a deep inhalation and exhalation, and come out. But don't open your eyes. Just inhale and exhale and be aware of your surrounding where you're sitting. Now rub your palms against each other and put it on your eyes, closed eyes, and feel the energy. Inhale and exhale. Now again keep your palms on your knees and slowly open your eyes. Keep the happy face. So this was a Panchkosh meditation. I hope you feel more relaxed now and you know how to explore, how to know yourself. So in this journey we are going with the upcoming videos what I'll be uploading soon. So stay tuned for the upcoming videos and please do like, share and subscribe to Panchkosh. Until then, be happy and stay fit. Namaste.